People thought the handheld gaming war was already decided. Steam Deck had its moment. ROG Ally shook the market. And then Lenovo dropped something no one expected, the Legion Go. But what most people don't realize is this. The Legion Go wasn't the final move. It was the warning shot, because Legion Go 2 is coming. And if even half of the leaks are true, this thing is about to flip the entire handheld gaming industry upside down. Let me tell you why this device matters so much, and why gamers in the US should be paying very close attention. Right now, handheld gaming is at a crossroads. People want power but not heat. They want PC-level performance, but console-level simplicity. They want freedom without compromise. And that's exactly the space Lenovo is aiming to dominate. Legion Go 2 isn't just an upgrade. It's Lenovo correcting everything they learned the first time and then going aggressive. The first Legion Go proved something important. Gamers want options. They want detachable controllers. They want a massive screen. They want real PC flexibility. But it also showed where Lenovo fell short. Battery life, software polish, weight distribution, thermal efficiency, and Lenovo listened. Legion Go 2 is being built with one clear mission. Outperform Steam Deck, Class Rogadi, and still feel premium in your hands. Let's talk performance, because that's where this gets serious. Legion Go 2 is expected to launch with AMD's next-gen Ryzen Z series APU. We're talking about a chip designed specifically for handheld gaming, not repurposed laptop silicon. This means better efficiency, higher sustained FPS, less thermal throttling, and smoother gameplay over long sessions. Games like Cyberpunk 2077, Starfield, Call of Duty, Baldur's Gate 3. Not just playable, but enjoyable. And here's the key part most people miss. Lenovo isn't chasing raw power alone. They're chasing consistent performance. No more wild FPS drops. No more fans screaming mid-match. No more overheating after 30 minutes. That alone changes everything. Now let's talk about the display, because Legion Go 2 might have the best screen ever put on a handheld. The original Legion Go already shocked people with its massive display. Legion Go 2 takes that and refines it. Expect higher refresh rates, better brightness, improved color accuracy, and thinner bezels that make the device feel futuristic. This isn't just about gaming, it's about immersion. When you're playing a story-driven game, or watching content, or even streaming, this screen pulls you in. And Lenovo knows this matters to American audiences who use handhelds for more than just gaming. Now let's talk about controls, because this is where Legion Go 2 separates itself. Detachable controllers aren't a gimmick anymore. They're a statement. You can game traditionally. You can prop it up like a mini desktop. You can use motion controls. You can customize layouts. And Lenovo is improving the ergonomics. Better grip texture, improved button feedback, more accurate joysticks, less hand fatigue. This device is being built for long sessions, not quick demos. Battery life, the Achilles heel of handheld gaming. Legion Go 2 is expected to make a massive leap here. Better power management, smarter performance scaling, larger capacity battery without massive weight gain. You won't need to panic every time you leave the house. And for US gamers who commute, travel, or game on the couch while multitasking, this matters. Software is another area where Lenovo is stepping up. Cleaner UI, faster updates, better driver support, improved compatibility. Legion Go 2 isn't trying to fight Windows, it's trying to tame it. And that's huge, because when handheld gaming feels smooth and effortless, people stick around. Now let's talk about pricing, because this could decide everything. Lenovo knows they can't price themselves out of the market. Legion Go 2 is expected to be competitive, not cheap, but justified. Premium hardware, premium build, premium experience. And when American consumers feel like they're getting real value, they buy. Here's the bigger picture most people aren't seeing. Legion Go 2 isn't just a device. It's Lenovo saying, we're here to stay. They're investing long-term. They're listening to feedback. They're playing the long game. And that's dangerous for everyone else. Steam Deck changed expectations. ROG Ally pushed power. Legion Go 2 is about to combine everything and refine it. If Lenovo executes this right, this becomes the handheld people recommend without hesitation. Not because it's perfect, but because it gives you choices. And that's what modern gamers want. So if you're thinking about waiting, about upgrading, about skipping the current generation, Legion Go 2 might be the reason you pause. Because this isn't just another handheld. It's the evolution of portable PC gaming. And once it launches, the conversation is going to change completely. If you stayed till the end of this video, you already know something most gamers don't. The handheld war isn't over. It's just getting started. And here's where things get even more interesting. Because Legion Go 2 isn't just competing with other handhelds. It's quietly competing with gaming laptops and even consoles. Think about it. For years, gamers had to choose portability or power, comfort or performance, freedom or stability. Legion Go 2 is attacking that trade-off head-on. Imagine sitting on your couch, controllers detached, screen propped up, running a full PC game at smooth frame rates, without feeling like you're holding a brick or fighting heat. That experience alone changes how people game at home. And Lenovo understands something very important about the US market. Most gamers don't play in one place anymore. They play in short sessions, between work, between responsibilities, between travel. Legion Go 2 is being designed around that lifestyle. Now let's talk thermals, because this is where most handhelds secretly fail. Raw power means nothing if the device can't sustain it. Legion Go 2 is rumored to use a redesigned cooling system. Not just a louder fan, but smarter airflow and better heat distribution. That means quieter gaming, longer sessions, and most importantly, stability. No sudden performance drops. No forced compromises mid-game. That's the difference between a device you test and a device you actually use every day. And Lenovo wants Legion Go 2 to be a daily driver. Another thing people underestimate is build quality. The first Legion Go already felt premium, but heavy. Legion Go 2 is expected to rebalance weight, improve materials, and refine the feel in hand. Because comfort isn't optional anymore. It's mandatory. If a handheld isn't comfortable after 40 minutes, it fails, no matter how powerful it is. Lenovo knows this now. They're not just building for reviewers. They're building for real users. Now let's talk about customization, a huge deal for American gamers. PC gamers love control. They love tweaking. They love choice. Legion Go 2 embraces that. Custom performance profiles, controller remapping, display tuning, power modes that actually make sense. You're not locked into one experience. You decide how the device behaves. And that sense of ownership is powerful. This also makes Legion Go 2 future-proof. As games get more demanding, as updates roll out, as new features are added, the device grows with you. Now let's talk about something nobody is saying out loud yet. Content creation. Legion Go 2 isn't just for gaming. It's a portable PC. That means streaming, editing, recording, multitasking. For creators, students, and professionals, this device quietly becomes more than a toy. And Lenovo knows this matters in the US, where devices are expected to do more than one job. Now imagine this scenario. You wake up, grab your Legion Go 2, play a game for 20 minutes, switch to work, watch content, travel, dock it, game again. One device, multiple roles. That's dangerous territory for traditional consoles. And Lenovo is walking straight into it. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. Is Legion Go 2 perfect? No, and it doesn't need to be. What matters is balance. Power balanced with efficiency. Features balanced with usability. Freedom balanced with stability. That's where Legion Go 2 is aiming. And if Lenovo delivers even 80% of what's rumored, this device becomes the benchmark. Not the most powerful, not the cheapest, but the most complete. And that's what wins long-term. People don't remember spec sheets. They remember experiences. They remember how a device made them feel. Did it frustrate them? Or did it disappear and let them enjoy the game? Legion Go 2 wants to disappear. Now let's talk timing. The handheld market is heating up again. Competition is fierce. Consumers are smarter. This is the perfect moment for Lenovo to strike. And Legion Go 2 is that strike. Not loud, not flashy, but calculated. And when this device launches, the comparisons are going to be brutal. Steam Deck, Rogati, Legion Go 2, side by side. And suddenly, conversations change. People stop asking which one is strongest. They start asking which one fits my life. And that's where Legion Go 2 shines. Because it doesn't force you into a corner. It gives you options. And in gaming, options are power. So if you're watching this right now, thinking about your next upgrade, thinking about skipping this generation, pay attention. Because Legion Go 2 isn't just another product. It's Lenovo learning, adapting, and pushing forward. And that's how market leaders are made. The handheld war is far from over. And the next chapter is about to begin.